Okay, so we're rolling. This is Monday morning, Monday afternoon, about noon, December 27th, day after probably the most craziest snowstorm I have ever been a part of. This is the snow right outside my apartment building. It's literally on my front door. It's really windy and cold. You maybe see some of the gusts of wind over there. There is a car completely covered in snow. I dug a couple of the other ones out. This guy tried to wiggle his way out, but this one's, and that's an SUV, that's like a Jeep. Completely slammed on top, and then the snow just kind of built up on the side from the plow. The roads are all right now. Last night they were terrible, but people are getting around. And it's not snowing, it's sunny out. I mean, there's no clouds, but the wind is blowing up the snow because there's so much powder, and it's awful. Well, let's take it for a twirl. I'm gonna go get some coffee, so you're gonna come with me. They're pretty awful roadways. Literally walking on the snow here. More stuff covered in snow. Guys are shoveling. I need to get over to there where there's the sun. This is insane. Insane. I have never seen so much snow in a less than 24-hour period in my whole life. The wind is swirling up pretty good over there. You get the sun out, but it's still cold out. It is still cold out. People are out, but I don't know why. If there ever was a definition of a snow day, I think this would be it. Okay.